Welcome back to Stock and Crypto World with VJ. Today, we're diving into the latest market movements and what they could mean for your investment strategy. The Dow futures have shown a significant rebound, and we're here to break down the key highlights from this market update. Let's get into it! It's been a volatile week for Wall Street, but it looks like the tide might be turning. After a rough start, Dow futures have jumped by 289 points, or 0.7%, signaling a potential recovery. The S&P 500 futures rose by 1%, and Nasdaq 100 futures climbed 1.2%. After a challenging three-day streak of losses, investors are hopeful for a rebound. On the previous trading day, the S&P 500 and Nasdaq Composite saw gains of 1% each, while the Dow added nearly 300 points. This follows a tough start to the week, with the Dow and S&P 500 experiencing their worst session since 2022, driven by recession worries and the unwinding of the yen carry trade. Despite this, Tuesday's rebound was strong, lifting all 11 sectors of the S&P 500. However, uncertainty remains. LPL Financial's Quincy Crosby notes that while we might see pockets of volatility, opportunities often arise from these market storms. There's some optimism in the second quarter earnings reports. Vital Knowledge's Adam Crisafulli mentioned that while the economy is cooling, corporate America is adapting and still generating healthy earnings. However, not all news is positive. Supermicro Computer saw a 14% drop after missing earnings estimates, and Airbnb's shares fell by 16% due to disappointing second quarter results and weak guidance. On the economic front, UBS believes the U.S. economy is still on track for a soft landing. Despite recent volatility and weaker data, corporate profit margins remain strong, and consumer spending is normalizing. In European markets, the pan-European Euro Stoxx 600 opened higher, with most sectors trading in the green. The FTSE 100, DAX, and CAC 40 all showed gains. In Japan, the Bank of Japan's deputy governor stated that the central bank won't raise rates while markets are unstable. This comes amid significant market fluctuations in Japan. U.S. stock futures are showing a positive turn as Asian markets also rise. Dow futures are up by 219 points, S&P 500 futures by 0.67%, and Nasdaq 100 futures by 0.97%. The Nikkei 225 and Topix indices in Japan also saw gains. In after-hours trading, shares of Airbnb plunged 13% after missing earnings estimates, while Disney's shares rose by 1% following a positive earnings report. Lyft saw a drop of more than 11% due to disappointing revenue guidance. That's a wrap for today's market update. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Stock and Crypto World with VJ for more updates and insights. Disclaimer: this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions.